You don't worry, I'll do the intro. You just drink your milk. I'll do the intro. I got this. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Storytime with Remi. Stay tuned because after she has her milk, we're going to read two of our favorite stories. Yeah, she says subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get ready, And the first book tonight is There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. This is illustrated by Pam Adams. This book was given to Levi, to my little Levi, my birthday pal from Genevieve Reed. Genevieve Reed used to be my teacher when I was a little girl in the market. Okay, let's go. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. You see the old lady? You see the fly in her tummy? You see that? Okay. There was an old lady who swallowed a spider that wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. There's the old lady. Look in her tummy. There's a spider and there's the fly. There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider that wriggled and jiggled and wriggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. There's an old lady, and look in her tummy. There's a bird, there's a spider, and there's the fly. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. Well, fancy that, to swallow a cat. She swallowed a cat to catch the bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider that wriggled and jiggled and wriggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. There's an old lady, there's a cat, there's a bird, there's a spider, and there is the fly. There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. What a hawk to swallow a dog. She swallowed a dog to catch the cat. Fancy that, to swallow a cat. She swallowed a cat to catch the bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider that wriggled and jiggled and wriggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Yes, that's a cow. Here's an old lady on the page, and there's a dog, there's a cat, there's a bird, there's a spider, and there's a fly in her tummy. That's correct. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know how she swallowed a cow. She swallowed a cow to catch the dog. What a hawk to swallow a dog. She swallowed a dog to catch the cat. Well, fancy that, to swallow a cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider that wriggled and jiggled and wriggled inside her. She swallowed a spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. There was a little lady who swallowed a horse. She's dead, of course. And this is the illustration that we were looking at. There's an old lady, and if you look in her tummy, you see the horse, right? Then you'll see the cow, then the dog, then the cat, then what was next? Then the bird, and then the spider, then the fly.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. We have another story. We have
No,
Yes, Dara. This is one of Remi's favorites by Jamaican author Kamille Jackson. Has anyone seen Dara's smile? And look, the author signed the book for you. Yes, keep smiling. Thank you, love Auntie Mila. Has anyone seen Dara's smile? Written by Kamille Jackson, illustrated by Rachel Moss. On the rug with building blocks builds Dara's tallest tower. She turned for all of us to look, and then suddenly her face turned sour. She whimpered at first and then held a sob, and soon there was a frown. Quickly her eyes filled up with tears because the whole thing came tumbling down. Cat, what sound does it make when the whole thing comes tumbling down? Then, without a warning, but to no surprise, her shivering lips made a perfect pout. The tears now running down her cheeks, she let out a tremendously loud scream out. I rushed to hold her in my arms to see if I could console, but with each shriek she heaved in sobs. I had to change my goal. There's a mommy hugging up Dara. Never mind, Dara. Shh, shh, shh. Has anyone seen Dara's smile? She has not got it on her face. Can anyone help to find it? It must be here someplace. Look for Dara's smile, Remi. Look for Dara's smile. Look for Dara's smile. You see it? Where could it be? Where is it? Oh my goodness, look at them looking under the newspaper, under the couch. Is it in your little hand? Or perhaps it's in your hair? Still she shrieked and bawled and cried. I had to go up a gear. Could it be stuck under the rug? Look under the rug, Remi, look under the rug. With all the tumbled blocks. Or perhaps it's on the curtain rod. Look at the curtain rod. No, I don't see. Or maybe it's in her socks. You didn't even have on socks. For her smile, Remi, look for her smile. Is Dara's smile in her dress? Did it fall into the loo? Belly? I wonder where it could have gone. I do not know. Do you? The shrieks turned to whimpering sobs as she wondered what to think. Continuing on our newest game, I gave Dara a special wink. Show me how you wink. Show you? Okay. We looked on the dining table. Look on the dining table, Rem. Then beneath it on the floor. Look on the floor. We did not see her missing smile. We had to look some more. You see it? Has anyone seen Dara's smile? I'm afraid that it is lost. Can we buy another one? Does anyone know the cost? You have any money? Hey, we need to buy a new smile. You have any money? Get in your pocket, give me some money. Let's buy another one. The frown still there upon her face, the sobs not all quite gone. We were closer than we were before, but we could not stop until we had won. Is your smile in your pocket, Dara? Or maybe it's in your shoes. Was it eaten by the kitty cat? Come on, any clues? Has anyone seen Dara's smile? It used to be above her chin. Did anyone throw it away perchance? Quick! Let us look in the bin. Look in the bin. Look in the bin. Dara was fully engaged by now, and she also began to look. She peeked behind the sofa too, in case her smile was in a nook. Yes, Dara is climbing on the sofa. Tell her to get down. Naughty. And then she turned to look at us and we all began to cheer. Okay. Smiling Dara looked our way. We found it. It was Claire. Yay! Cheer, cheer. Woo! Jump and clap your tiny hands. She jumped and clapped her tiny hands. The blocks still tumbled in their place. All tears forgotten, for we had won and found Dara's smile upon her face. Smile, let me see. Nice. Wait. Very nice. Is that it for story time? Okay. Last book, only because it's YouTube. Have you dropped a like yet? Are you subscribed? Make sure you subscribe. Remi, what was that? What was that? Book. Okay, no problem. This book is called Love Monster by Rachel Bright. And this is our last book tonight, Remi. Okay, our last book tonight. Love Monster by Rachel Bright. Settle down. This is a monster. Hello, monster. I think you'll agree, he's a little bit funny looking to say the least. He lives in a world of cute, fluffy things, which makes being funny looking pretty darn hard.
Daddy?
Yes, see all the cute little funny things? And that's a dolly.
Daddy?
You might have noticed that everybody loves kittens and puppies, cute, fluffy things. You have money? Okay. Alright, we already bought this man. We're looking at monster now. But nobody loves slightly hairy, I suppose, a bit googly-eyed monster. Poor monster. This might be enough to make a monster feel, well, a bit down in the dumps. Already. But not being a moping around sort, he decided to set out and look for someone who'd love him just the way he was. He looked high. Look high, Remi. Look high. And he looked low. Look low, Remi. Look low. He looked middleish. Look in the middle, Remi. He looked inside. Look inside, Rem. Look inside.
No.
Stop farting on me.
That's not me.
He looked outside. Look outside, Rem. Look outside.
No. Under.
Monster. More than once he thought that maybe, just maybe, he had found what he was looking for. But as it turns out, things were never quite as they seemed. Look, see the reflection in the pond? Look, his shadow. Oh no, monster, keep looking. Yes, it would be fair to say that his search did not go so well. And then, it didn't go well somehow. It didn't go so well for such a long time, in fact. Raining. That it began to get dark and scary and, well, not very nice. So, yeah, it was dark. So the monster, having lost all of his own, it's a bus, decided it was time to give up and go home. So see the bus drives up, see the bus lights on. Oh, poor monster. Get ready, get ready. But in the blink of a googly eye, everything changed. Do you see that bus driver, Rem? The bus driver is also a monster. You see, sometimes when you least expect it, love finds you. These are the stars, and look at the monsters holding hands. Yay, monsters! For the monsters who found me, and one slightly hairy one in particular, love, Rachel, right? Say good night, everybody. We're not reading Dara again. Say good night, everybody. Stop! Sneeze and poop. Sneeze and poop. Everybody, let us do a sneeze and poop. Sneeze and poop. Sneeze and poop. Everybody, let us do a sneeze and poop. Sneeze, achoo! Poop, poop. Sneeze, achoo! Poop, poop. Sneeze and poop. Sneeze and poop. Everybody, let us do a sneeze and poop. Poop. Okay. Say good night, everybody. You know you got 3 books tonight. Say subscribe to my channel. Say subscribe to my channel. Come on, man. This is the money shot, girl. Night, everybody. I hope you enjoyed story time, and we'll see you next time. Bye.